Gracie used a $100 bill to buy one suitcase for $56.74, a new backpack for $15.88, and two pairs of flip-flops for $4.99 each. So remember, they bought two pairs. How much change did Gracie receive from the $100 bill? Okay, so we've got a couple of steps that we have to do here. So we know that Gracie bought one item, one suitcase, that's one item, one backpack, and two pairs of flip-flops. So they bought 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. So we've got to take all of those items and we've got to add them together. Then we need to subtract minus 100. Whatever this answer is, minus 100 to find out how much change they gave back. Remember, when you go to the store, you hand them your big dollar and then they give you something back. So let's go over here and let's add all of our items. So that suitcase was $56.74. The backpack was $15.88. And then remember, they had two pairs of flip-flops for $4.99 each. Now, I like to line them all up like this, but if you wanted to take two at a time and then add those up, you could add the sum of each one up. But for me, in my brain, it's easier for me to add them all up so I don't forget anything. So I know that 9 plus 9 is 18. And then I know that 8 plus 4 is 12. So 18 plus 12 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this column, when you add it up, gets to 30. Okay? 9 plus 9 is 18. I'm going to do that over here again. 18, and then I'm going to do 8 plus 7 is 15. So when I add that up, I get 5 plus 8 is 13. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now, I can't forget to carry my 3 up here. So I have 33 plus 3. 33, 34, 35, 36. Drop my 6, carry my 3. And then I got to bring my decimal all the way down. Okay. We got a lot of numbers right here too. But remember, when I can find tens, that makes it way easier. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9, so 10 plus 9 is 19. 19, 20, 21, 22. Drop my 2, carry my 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Is that my answer? No, that's just how much money her Gracie's 4 items cost. All those items cost $82.60. So now I have to take this number and I have to subtract it from 100 because 100 is how much her dollar bill was. So I have to say 100 minus $82.60. Now, why did I put those 2 zeros after that decimal? Because we have to make sure that we line up our decimal. If we did this, $82.60 minus 100, that would be wrong because this is a whole number. We can't do it like that. We have to make sure that our big number is on top and we line our decimals up. Sometimes you have to add those 2 zeros and then you can subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6. Okay, so this is kind of a tough one because we have to go all the way to this 1 to borrow. So that 1 becomes a 0, and then this 0 becomes a 10. But this 0 still needs to borrow. That 10 becomes a 9. This 0 becomes a 10. But this one is still needing to borrow, so that 10 becomes a 9, and this 0 becomes a 10. Now we can do 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring my decimal all the way down. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So our answer, the amount of change that Gracie's going to get back is $17.40. So I'm going to go to number 2, and I'm going to write it here so that I don't forget it when I'm doing my answer document. Good job.